Hello friends, welcome to Research Made Simple. This is Professor Krunal K. Punjani. In this video, we will understand three things about the Mendeley, a reference management tool. First, we will go through how to download and install the Mendeley desktop app. Second, we will understand how to import the references from online resources into the Mendeley desktop app. And third, we will go through the steps of how to install the Microsoft Word plugin for the Mendeley desktop app. So let us begin with the first thing. For this, first do the simple Google search for Mendeley and then click on the mendeley.com website. On this website, first we need to create an account. So click on this tab, create a free account. Then put your email ID into this box. Then it will further ask for the name, family name and password. For the password, it will suggest you to make your password strong by including minimum 8 characters, including at least one number, one symbol, and mix of small and capital alphabets. And then click on register. Post that, it will show this notification to check your email. In the email received from the Elsevier, click on the confirm email button. This will take you to the Mendeley website again, and this confirmation notification will be displayed. Then you are required to click on this button, continue to Mendeley. That will take you to this specific web page where you should click on Get Reference Manager to download the Mendeley. Further, click on this button Download Mendeley Desktop for Windows. Then, post downloading it, you can click on the downloaded file, then click on this next button. Then select I agree. Then click on next again and click on this install button. Once your installation gets completed, you can search for the Mendeley app in your laptop or PC and click to open this Mendeley desktop app. Once you open Mendeley, it will ask you to mention your registered email ID and password, and then click on this sign in button. This will open Mendeley desktop app on your laptop or PC. Now let us understand the second thing, that is how to import the references from online resources into this Mendeley desktop app. For this, you can do this Google search of Mendeley web importer for Chrome or other web browser you are using, and then click on the relevant search result. For Google Chrome, this specific web page will get open where you need to click on Add to Chrome button and then click on this Add Extension button. Next, click on this extension button and pin the Mendeley web importer so that it would be visible on your Google Chrome browser. Now let us go through the third thing, that is the steps of how to install Microsoft Word plugin for the Mendeley desktop app. For this purpose, you can go to your Mendeley desktop app and click on Tools. Then click on Install MS Word plugin. If you are using Microsoft Word 2010 or above, then you will get this kind of error notification. And then to install this plugin, you should go back to the web browser and search Microsoft App Store Mendeley site, and then click on this search result. It will take you to this Microsoft App Source website. Here you are required to click on this Get It Now button. Then it will ask you to sign in if you already have a Microsoft account, or you can click on Sign Up for Free Account and create an account and then sign in. Once you sign in into Microsoft Office Store, it will allow you to get the Mendeley site add-in by clicking on this button, Open in Word. And finally, Mendeley site plugin will be added to your Microsoft Word. So this completes the installation process of the Microsoft Word plugin for the Mendeley desktop app. I hope through this video you would be able to do a basic setup of your Mendeley desktop app. I will be keep on making such useful videos on several aspects of the quality research. So looking forward to see you in my next video. Thank you.